Hey guys, this is Megha and I'm a Be Honest graduate from Delhi University.
Hey everyone, this is Yamini Rawat and I'm a graduate in sciences from Delhi University. And we both welcome you all to our channel, the Indian Philomath.
Philomath. So guys, most of you might be thinking that what's a Philomath or why Philomath? So guys, Google करने की कोई need नहीं है.
And don't worry guys, it's not related to math. We won't be discussing sine theta, cos theta, so relax.
Basically guys, a Philomath is a person who remains curious to know about new things or to learn new things.
And as you guys all know that we are stuck in this lockdown due to this pandemic. So with all of this free time, I think this is the best opportunity for us to learn and explore something new. So if you're also bored like us in this lockdown and don't know what to do, and if you're also looking for something creative yet productive at the same time, so hop on and get ready because together we both will take you on a journey of wisdom, learning, knowledge, some great ideas, thoughts and some inspiring stories.
And guys, as far as reading is concerned, it seems boring to most of us, right? And as far as it is something that suits our interest, अपने कुछ इंटरेस्ट का होता है तो पढ़ने में मज़ा आता है नहीं. जैसे अगर हम सोचें तो स्कूल डेज में हम लोग कैसी बुक्स पढ़ते थे, लाइक 5 Points Someone एंड मेनी मोर. एंड फाइनली कॉलेज तक आते आते हमारी बुक्स की प्रेफरेंसेस ऐसे हो जाते थे जैसे हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ में प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में सीन चल रहा होता है, राइट. इट सीम्स टू बी मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट, राइट, हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ. सो many people read books like I Do Have a Love Story or 50 Shades of Grey, or I don't want to go in deep more. So moving ahead, when it comes to working, जब हम कॉलेज निकलने के बाद वर्क करना स्टार्ट करते हैं तो we need sort of motivation, and many people read books, start reading book like The Alchemist or You Can Win, and finally at the end stage of life, to gain happiness and peace, finally people read the Bhagavad Gita or the Holy Bible or Quran. So you see guys, कैसे हमारे interest, हमारे reading preferences को rule करते हैं.
Yes, and what's really exciting and interesting about our channel, the Indian Philomath, is that we will be reviewing a great number of books for you so that you can choose a book before reading according to your interest. So होता क्या है, whenever we think about reading a book, sometimes we feel like यार fiction पढ़ लेते हैं, sometimes we feel like कुछ ऐसी book मिल जाए जिससे motivation मिल जाए या फिर कुछ सीखने को मिले. And for that we take suggestions from our colleagues or friends or relatives. And we all know guys, it's a time-taking process. And in the end, we read some random 2 to 3 books on that subject and we decide ourselves which is the best book for us in real. And 90% of the readers guys either lose interest in that book or stop reading it because they didn't have the exact picture of the book before. So I think this is a major reason why most of the people are not able to adopt the habit of reading. And Bill Gates has said that the great readers are great leaders.
And so friends, seeing the importance of reading and our interests attached to it, we will review through our channel some of the best books. Let it be on on great fictions or business, or you can say psychological thrillers or Indian mythology or Indian politics or Indian history. We will review some sort of books and some of the best books on this, and we will give you a clear picture regarding each book so that you can make a wise decision so that to choose that book or some other. So guys, no sir dard, bas Indian Philomath को subscribe करो and जानो the top books of every field and its critical review. And so friends, coming to the next point, see, it's been 72 years of independence and India has been a great homeland to many great personas. We know many great names who have done great deeds in their life, in their darkest phases of life, and but apart from great stories friends, there have been many amazing facts and and information that held in past that was important, and if we know them, हमारी लाइफ पे वो भी एक बहुत ही crucial impact डालेगी, right? जैसे okay, let me ask you guys, do you know which is the first hotel, right? Currently it is also there now. So which is the first hotel that ran on electricity, and who was the person who had this great vision regarding this great idea? Maybe most of you know this or most of you don't know. So if you know this, well and good. If you don't know guys, you can comment to us in the section below, as we will not only review the books but we will also tell you some of the great stories, great facts related to many people, and you will be amazed to here there.
So guys, we are really excited to take you all on the journey of the Indian Philomath. And let me tell you guys, it really doesn't matter if you're a reader or not. It really doesn't matter if बुक्स को देख के आपके फेस पे ग्लो आ जाता है या फिर आप भी ये सोचते हैं कि यार इतना सारा टेक्स्ट विदाउट पिक्चर्स को कैसे पढ़ सकता है. एंड इट रियली डजंट मैटर इफ यू आर अ रॉस गैलर और अ जोई ट्रिबियन.
What matter is, अगर आप रियली इंटरेस्टेड हैं नई चीज़ें जानने में या फिर सीखने में एंड यू रियली वांट टू बिकम अ फिलोमैथ इन योर लाइफ, देन डू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल.
Yes guys, because we have some great content lined up for you. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Indian Philomath. Thank you.